Time now for the Friday Night Blitz Game of the Week. There are district titles, and then there are bragging rights. When you can claim both in one night, it doesn't get any better. Jason Jennings was in Lakeland for the classic rivalry between Kathleen and Lakeland.
Lakeland had beaten rival Kathleen 19 straight times until last season, so Kathleen is looking for 2 straight wins over the Dreadnoughts and 2 straight district titles on this gorgeous night for football. And it is a pretty game if you like defense. Points are at a premium in the early going. Defense gets Lakeland going. Carter Purcell with the pick. Lakeland ball in Kathleen territory. It sets up A.J. Davis. A.J. payday. 7-zip Lakeland at the half. Yeah, raise the roof like it's 1995. Now, second half. More defense? Yeah, Kathleen sacks Aaron Johnson inside the 1. Dreadnoughts have to punt out of their own end zone, and the ref says punter Zach Fedler steps out of bounds. That's a safety. Kathleen cuts it to 7-2, but Lakeland responds. Radon Dwight. Watch out, Radon is radioactive. Touchdown, it's 14-2 Lakeland after 3.
Yes, sir, all day, every day.
Boy, Kathleen just never gets the offense going. Bad snap, Marshawn Brinson picks up the loose change. Dreadnoughts ball, then here comes the dagger. Johnson deep to Mike Randolph. See ya. Lakeland gets revenge on rival Kathleen with a 21-2 win. The Dreadnoughts win the district and finish their regular season with a 10-0 record. In Lakeland, Jason Jennings, News Channel 8 Sports.
All right, Pinellas.